Hello. I'm going to tell you today how to remove this TRV Hive Radiator Valve, which is a smart valve which you can operate on the Hive app. So it's a bit difficult apparently to sort of remove this. You press this button, you get the temperature, and you could obviously use the dial at the top to change the temperature. And if you want it to sort of take the top bit off, you press this at the back and keep it pressed and just push upwards, pull upwards rather. 2 batteries at the back, alkaline batteries, and the display. And obviously when you want to sort of take this off, it just keeps rotating, the dial keeps moving. So the easiest method for this to work, and the only method I suppose, is press this at the back, as you see here. Press this and press it hard. At times it doesn't work, but keep pressing it hard. It didn't work this time, so let's give it another try. No, didn't work this time. Let's try again. Press this hard, very hard. Oh yeah, there we are. And it turns, and your adapter is in fact on here already, so you don't have to sort of open anything. It's actually on here already. So yeah, that's how it comes out. And you've got your radiators, etc., open at the moment. It won't operate obviously because there's no top to sort of adjust the temperature and things. So this is essentially how it works, and a bit difficult, but and there's not much information available online. So I hope this helps. Cheers.